Hello everyone, my name is Man Patel and today I'm going to solve LeetCode question number 1365. The question is how many numbers are smaller than the current number? So let's understand the question first. Here we are given an array nums. For each nums of I, we have to find how many numbers in the array are smaller than it. So we have to check here two conditions. If we have to run two loop here, if j is not equals to I and nums of j less than nums of I, we have to return the count of that numbers. Let's understand by example also. Here we are given an input 8, 1, 2, 2, 3. So we are checking condition 8, 8 is greater than 1, greater than 2, greater than 2, greater than 3. So we are returning here 4. 1 is smaller than every input. So we are returning 0. 2 in 2 we are returning 1 and 2 we are returning 1. 3. So 3 is bigger than 1 and 2. So we are returning 2 again. So we are returning here 3. Means in short we have to find how many numbers are smaller than the current number. So we have to use here two loops. So now let's write this code in CPP language. So here I am declaring an integer n which stores the size of nums. Now I will declare a vector with data type int name res, in which I will write here n comma 0 will initialize with 0. Current will create a result array of same size. So now let's iterate the loop here. I am running this loop from 0 to n, means the n is size of the nums, and iterating by 1. I am taking a variable count which stores the numbers which are smaller than the current one. Now I will write one more loop j less than n j plus plus. This j loop will compare nums of I with every other elements. When we have to check here two conditions. If I not equals to j and nums of j less than nums of I. Here I is not equal to j means we not have to compare the element with itself. And nums of j less than nums of I means check if current element is smaller or not. If this condition is true, we will increment the count. After the for loop, I will store the count in the nums of I, and at last I will return the rest. So this is the code. Now let's run the code. As you can see, all the test cases are accepted here. So now let's add one test cases here, in which I will add the elements 1, 5, 8, 2, 2, 6. Now let's run this code again. I have entered successfully. Now let's submit the code here. So that all the code that I have written is submitted successfully in 8 ms, and I have solved this question successfully in O of n squared time complex.